important. Okay. Now, to show, to respect others, to respect the work of others, this role play is very much important. You can have this role play. So, you can give the student roles like farmer, carpenter, all the things here, like teacher, cleaner. You can give the awareness what are their important duties, how we should respect them. So, it is also one of the activity where you are going to give them social awareness. Okay? It is called as respect for work. Anything teachers can share your views. Where you already done these activities in the classrooms, right? So now the CBSE had made it compulsory that you should have these activities. Now, healthy tiffin planning. So, in our school we have made mandatory that no junk food should be bought in the snacks period. If they have bought it, we will take it back and we are not going to provide any snacks the whole day. That's the rules we have made it. We have given awareness for the parents also. So, we have, in spite of the giving awareness, few children they take it. Then we are going to take it back from them. So one day if you take it, next day they are going to bring the healthy food. So this is also awareness you should give in the classroom, or which is healthy or which is not healthy. So here you can teach the children what is the energy giving food and protein food or fruit or vegetable, and also drinking water is very much important. Giving that awareness is important. This is also one important activity. So which grade can we assign for this? All the grades. Yes, right? All the grades. For this, what activity we can give? Fire without cooking, right? So that in that they'll have good awareness about the food, healthy food, right? Yes. Next, simple budget activity. Okay, this you should do it in the school. We did it. Okay, we bought all the material which are required. We asked them to make the things, and we asked the parents to come and buy it. We had one marketing activity there. So it was assigned to class 1, grade 1. The children they actually participated, and you know how they were bargaining. Yes, it's so nice. They will encourage. They will be happy to participate in these types of activities. So here they are going to learn about See, now you are the eldest child who should look after the family, who should take care of your family. Now it is your duty to rescue this family. So the boy thought for a few minutes, then immediately jumped into the water and he sailed. Okay, for 5 hours he sailed. He swam for 5 hours, not sailed. He swam for 5 hours and finally reached the beach there. Then he took the help of the people there. Then government immediately took the action and then rescue team was assigned there. They found out that 14 kilometers further that boat there. Then finally they rescued and what the child was awarded as the bravest child. Many even TV newspapers the child's photo is seen. Even today they appreciate that boy. So what is the importance here? What was the thing you can recognize here? Life skills, right? At that moment, how the child thought. That 13 years old boy. Okay, so see, swimming in a ocean is not a joke, right? It's not an easy task, right? He swam for 5 hours. Imagine how he can do it. You can Google it to find a matter about this. Okay, so these are the life skills you are teaching for the children there. Okay, in times of emergencies. Okay, this if you do this community helper interview, what the child is going to learn? Can any teacher tell? Yes, the difficulties they are facing. So learning the difficulties, what is the end result? They are going to give respect there, right? Yes. Okay. So you should give the awareness about the community helpers. How you can do? You can have the interview. In your school itself, you can have the security guard, gardener, driver, the nurse, or the electrician, or the shopkeeper. If you assign the children to go and take the interview, okay, I think that after taking the interview, you can make the group and they assign with each group to different people there. Then you can have the discussion in your classroom. Okay, this is one type of activities there. Okay, so the best activity for your workshop, how to do that. If you want one strong activity for a school workshop, use this skill solution challenge. At least once in a month, you can have this activity. Okay, the time taken is 30 to 40 minutes. Group size is 5 to 6 students. So, for each group, select one school problem and give a skill-based solution. So, how the children can be used in this? You can see that problems can be like too much of waste in classroom. Can you tell me what is that? Any examples? Papers.